welcome back. Today I have a massive unboxing for you all. So the kind folks at Big Green Egg sent me over this package. They send a full works. Now I didn't receive some of the items that are on back order, so as I receive them later on I'll post again showing you guys everything that I got. But today what I want to show you guys is the first shipment that they sent me, and just look at the amount of boxes here. So in this bottom box here, this big box at the bottom is the Big Green Egg. And you may ask, what is a Big Green Egg? It is a ceramic cooker that you can grill, you can bake, you can roast, you can smoke, you can do almost anything on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you guys recipes that I'll be making on the Big Green Egg. We have some other boxes in here. This one is a 5-piece expander kit. We have the integrated nest handler. On the top here we have the plancha griddle. So you'll see one side, I got 2 pieces. One side has the ridges where you can get nice grill marks, and then we have the flat side so you can do like eggs and waffles, pancakes and stuff. Reheat it on this. Here we have the instant read thermometer, and it does come with a beautiful leather carrying case. And come over on this side with me, let me show you some more goodies. This is their perforated half grid, so you can do vegetables on this. And we also got their speedy light. Now these are all natural charcoal starters. So I'm going to open the box because I want you guys to see what it looks like. And this helps you to ignite your charcoal faster, so you use 1 piece of it. Also, they sent me a kitchen tongs that has the Big Green Egg on it there. We also got some kitchen towels or tea towels. Here we have the egg niter. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is going to be like so cool to have this. So it does come, they did send the butane fuel. You need butane fuel to fill this, and you're going to use it. I'll show you guys when I'm using it, but basically this helps you to light your coals. And they sent me their lineup of sauces and spices, so I'm going to show you guys one by one. Here we have the zesty mustard and honey barbecue sauce. We have the Kansas City style sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. Here we have their mopping sauce, Kentucky bourbon, Carolina style bold and tangy, Vidalia onion sriracha. This is a habanero hot sauce. We have a cayenne pepper hot sauce, a dill pickle hot sauce, there's citrus herb seasoning, ancho chili and coffee seasoning, sweet and smoky seasoning, and the savory pecan seasoning. So here we have Big Green Eggs pizza and baking stone. So we're going to be doing some gourmet pizzas in this cooker. So what I'm going to do is we're going to unbox all of this, put it together, and then I'll show you all what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. So this is the integrated nest and handler, and what it is, it's what's going to hold the egg. So this is the egg here, and this is the integrated nest and handler that's going to house the cooker. Okay, so this is the 5-piece expander kit, and this is what it looks like, and the pizza stone is going to rest on this. And if you had 2 pizza stones, you can do 2 pies at the same time. These are the different options for nesting the expander. In this box here we have the rain cap, which covers the vent in case it starts to rain and you want to protect that opening at the top. So let me show you guys what the pizza stone looks like. It says the Big Green Egg, and it's a really thick pizza stone. Really good quality. So let's open up the half moon and see what it is. So it's a half moon pizza stone. So if you want to do something small on this and then you have the other half of the grate to do something else, you can do that. So in this box we have the grates. So it's a cast iron half grid demi griddle. So now let me go ahead and start putting this together so I can share it with you guys. And I have one more thing I want to show you guys that I didn't show you. So they sent me 6 of these big bags of 100% natural oak and hickory premium lump charcoal. You guys know that lump charcoal makes the best barbecue, and each bag is 20 pounds. So thank you so much for all of these goodies, and I know the rest is coming pretty soon, and I'll share that as I receive it. Wow, this is huge. So when you get it, it's telling you how to cut the box open so you can get the egg out the easiest way. So this is the cover and this is the base. So let's see what we have in here. We have the reg. This is the regulator. Guys, this thing is massive. I am so excited. So guys, it's fully assembled, and all we're going to do now is go ahead and add in our charcoal and start grilling. So guys, how exciting was this? I am so excited. So what we have going here, we have a tamarind barbecue chicken, and I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek, and I want you to stay tuned to my channel because you'll see that video coming up very, very soon. So let me give you guys a sneak peek inside here. So guys, how delicious does the chicken look? So delicious. It smells amazing. If you guys have never had a tamarind barbecue chicken, you will have to try it. And you don't have to use chicken only, you can use any type of protein you like. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Make sure and look out for it. And I want to say a huge thank you to everyone from the Big Green Egg for sending me this amazing package with all of these accessories and all of these amazing condiments to go along with our green egg. So if you guys have one, comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know what's your favorite thing to make. So thank you all for joining me for this unboxing, and I'll see you in my next video.